Alright, we're going to continue our quest on for the ever elusive Scrappy Joe. But whoever was here in this area must have tools. Looks like they got a chainsaw to cut all the stuff down. And some kind of big vehicle to haul all the stuff off. Just wonder if this is somebody's farm or somebody just coming here to get the stuff. The fronds. We're going to continue on our quest. That's the cul-de-sac where we came out. I don't know what's this way, but let's turn this way. Let's go down here and see what's down here. Yeah, I would not want to be back here with little Blue too. Holy schmoly, it looks like somebody's going through here and cutting stuff. I wonder if somebody's building back here. Could it be Scrappy Joe? Or are they just farming? Or just tossing yard refuse? I don't know what's up here. Here, another opening. It looks like somebody's farming these snake or something there. Somebody is indeed farming these things. They've been coming in and just digging them right out. I don't think I want to go in too deep. It's like a tree farm, maybe. We're going to continue our quest and see if we can't find Scrappy Joe. Wow. More trees have been taken, and it looks like a mudding track. So evidently the ATVs come through here. This looks like a dumping spot for all the trees. And somebody's been setting them on fire. Building a campfire out here. This looks like a campfire. And there's vultures everywhere. Something is dead around here. I'm gonna go where the vultures are. I don't know if you can see all the vultures in the sky. There's something dead around here. I sure hope I can find my way back. There's bones. Appears to be bones. I don't know if we're at another dumping site or more bodies or what. The vultures are circling all around. They're just like buzzing all over me. Looking for food. But I see what appears to be possible bones out here. A whole bunch of them. trash. But no bodies that I can see. This bike's gear shift doesn't work so well. Alright, I think we got it. No, it's still kicking up and down. It keeps kicking up and down between gears. Well, I'll tell you what. This place is a good place to go riding your bike to get an exercise. As long as nobody hits you with their car or their motorcycle. You can see how easy it would be to get lost out here. And I think I may be lost. I'm counting on my GPS being able to find my way back. Otherwise, I'm going to be in deep caca here. I can't believe how vast this compound is. There's ATV trails everywhere. Like a carcass here, and a dried animal. And here we are. More bones and the trees. We've tracked down the trees. Whoever's been digging up the trees, I don't know if they dug these up or if they are moving these, but somebody is digging up trees, and here they are. I hear equipment, so the digger may be here or nearby. But yeah, look, there's the trees. It's like they're farming it. And there he is. It's like there's a camper out here. I think he lives out here. Private property. Look at all these trees. See how they're dug out with the little squares, the stumps right around them? I think this person is a tree farmer. Had a big, huge tractor type device to dig up the trees, and here are the trees all dug up, wrapped up, and I guess there's money to be made selling trees. So many secrets at the compound. I hope the wind noise is not too loud. There's water over here. Little lake, little pond. Possibly gators out here. And I am like totally lost at this point. looks the same. And always the vultures. This appears to be some kind of canal. I don't know if it's even possible to explore this whole area. This looks like somebody built an ATV trail here along this canal. Look at that, they cleared the whole area of trees over there. It's like a huge track. Drive down there with your car, I suppose, or trucks. Go back there, but I'm not going back there in a little blue. I don't know if you can see all the mud. Easy to get stuck back here. Look at this. Look how big the drop is. The people come here and go mudding and stuff with their big four-wheeled trucks and the ATVs. I know I wouldn't dare to try to go down this thing with my van. I'd end up getting stuck. Still no sign of Scrappy Joe. I think I'm gonna stop filming for now because I think I'm lost.